Hello, YouTube. I'm Aiden.
I'm Abby, and this is my friend Chloe.
Welcome back.
Today we have some more squishies to show you, new and old ones.
So let's get started. This one has a pink flower on the top. It has like a design on the bottom, grayish white stripe. Has a heart in the middle. It's slow rising too. And this one has a pink one on it. Well, this one has a red one. And then this one has like a happy, smiley, blushing face.
It's like they're BBs.
Yeah.
No, the cactuses.
Yeah.
You don't know.
They're very slow, soft rising.
Okay, and next we have the Jumbo Chicky Papaya, and it has like, I don't know, not like a lot of detail, but like right here it's really bumpy and it's really soft.
It's a seed.
Yeah, it's like the seeds, and it smells really good. And then we have this one, and it's like the same thing, but it's like different colors. And and here's the back of them, and they're really soft. And then in them, it comes, for this one, like the greenish one, it comes with a regular monkey like chain. And then for the orangish one, it comes with the pink monkey tag. And the packaging thing, it looks like this. Okay, share one of yours, Aiden.
The next ones. Okay. The next ones that we have are the Angel Ice Cream Bears. So right here they have this chocolate right around the ice cream, the night ice cream, and as you can see, this is a heart, and then here are the angel wings, and it feels really smooth, and it's really slow rising.
What does it smell like?
Oh, it smells like ice cream. Smells like ice cream a lot.
Can I smell?
Wait, are we allowed to smell it on camera?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was really disgusting.
Okay, and then we have the same thing, but it's the light one.
Daytime one.
Yeah, daytime.
What are those on the heads? Hats.
What?
What's on the hat?
This?
That. The white stuff. What is it?
Oh, they're clouds, if you can tell.
You're about to describe. No,
Okay,
I can't
go.
tell.
Show this.
And then this is the package. And then here's the keychain.
See, that's
Here's
nighttime.
Here's the nighttime chain.
Can't see it. Here.
I'll take it out.
No, you don't take it out. Boy. Like I am. And it looks like that. And then
No.
I will show the daytime one because I think it's really cute.
I like the nighttime one because I'm dark.
Boy.
We know, like your soul.
Oh!
And then we have the daytime one, and I think these are very, very cute, and I like them. Okay.
Next we have the candy corn unicorns. Yep. It's slow rising. It has rainbow tail and hair. Has a nice yellowish goldish horn. It looks so pretty and it has a bow on it. And it smells really good too.
Smell it.
Yum.
There's no.
Chloe, this is you.
Yum.
Okay. Yeah, okay, shut
Wait, what does it feel like?
Soft. How much?
What's the texture?
Has very weird stripy textures.
So the hair.
Yes, and the tail. And the bow has a nice color to it.
Okay.
This is what the package looks like. 2 unicorns and a cloud chasing a rainbow. And then the bag just has that.
Next, we have the 9-grain wheat Italian bread, and it comes in yellow, and they're very textured, and they have this little hook on them.
I got one question. Can you eat it?
No.
Oh.
And it looks very, very, it's like very, very, very textured. And it's very, very, and I really like it. And it's very, very soft. And it comes in brown, if you can't see, gold, and then pink. And and the packaging, it looks like this. And then that. And then it comes with a bow, like to tie it off. Next. Oh, and it comes with an extra keychain, like a keychain to hang it.
Okay. The next ones that we have are the Rainbow Cat ones. They're really slow rising and they're really smooth. They're different because this one you can see it's like green at the top, but this one is blue.
Like it's different texture, like
Different color.
different pattern.
Yeah. And then they're like really, really cool. I would want one if I were you.
What does it smell like?
Death.
This one smells like it smells like
it's just my mom just needed to know.
it smells like fresh. This one, the 9 grain wheat Italian bread. It smells like bread. It smells really good. I really like it.
I'm gonna do the last. I hope you liked our video. Bye.
See ya.
Subscribe.
Subscribe and like the video.
That too.
Peace. And notifications.
No, that one.